Hello guys, I got another Salem Cruise Light Platinum with the new free fiberglass. Don't pay extra for fiberglass for a limited time. Haven't had one of these rear living 24 footers in a while. It has definitely been a hot minute. I like this floor plan as far as a couple coach. The black gloss fridge, residential style. Check out how big this bathroom is. Plenty of room, plenty of space. Nice big shower. These cabinets are a little limited because they give you an extra closet in your bedroom. Or you can even put shelves in there if you really wanted to. But you do get a king size bed up front. Yep, and it's cut on the edges so you can walk around the bed nice and easy. You can access your pass-through storage nice and easy from the inside. And you have more cloth totes underneath. You have a spot to put your shoes underneath. And then you do have a laundry chute on this side. The netting built in. Pretty cool. Sorry, my shoes are kind of squeaky. It was a little wet this morning with all the fog, but the sun is coming out. I like these big windows in the back. Oh, you actually get storage in here too. Oh, look at that. 1, 2. Oh, you get 2 big totes. That's supposed to be over there. 2 big totes under there. And then let's see if we can get over here. Oh. One there, and I'm guessing another one here. Yep. So you get 4 big storage totes that come with it. Stay organized, stay clean. Try to stay clean while you're camping, but that's always hard to do. Enclosed underbelly with removable panels, and you do get a solar panel and a dimmer light switch. Bluetooth soundbar, the fireplace, U-shaped dinette. This folds down to a bed if you need it to. And this also makes into a bed as well. All the new and improved colors. I'm really digging these colors. Appreciate you guys watching my videos. Thank you so much.